night wearing thick or extra layers of clothes. Since the sun turned into an anomaly, the death toll has risen to 1.8 billion people. All survivors must have these essential items: canned food, water to last 5 months, extra clothes or jackets, weapons to defend yourself, and a reinforced concrete and steel bunker. And if you hear noises resembling your family members or your favorite song or movies, do not leave your shelter. I repeat, do not leave your shelter under any circumstances unless you leave to travel at night. And planes and objects that require humans to control or pilot them, they will fall from the sky into fields, cities, or tall structures. And the following countries have fallen: Spain, Portugal, France, Belgium, Luxembourg, Netherlands, Germany, Ireland, Italy, Morocco, Algeria, Libya, and Cuba. All survivors must attempt to reach Site 19 located in extreme southern Nevada. Embrace the darkness. Fear the light.